All right, boys and girls, this is practice 3, adding hours and minutes. The little guy over here is saying, hey, step 1 is add the hours. Step 2, add the minutes. So, for example, 2 hours and 15 minutes plus 2 hours and 20 minutes. Well, we have 2 hours and 2 hours. As you can see, there is 4 hours. 15 minutes and 20 minutes is 35 minutes. So, our answer is 4 hours and 35 minutes. 3 hours and 25 minutes plus 5 hours and 30 minutes. So, 3 hours and 5 hours equals 8 hours. And then we're going to go to the minutes. 25 minutes and 30 minutes is 55 minutes. So our answer is 8 hours and 55 minutes. All right, let's look at number 2. 7 hours and 30 minutes plus 3 hours and 30 minutes. So we got 7 hours and 3 hours is 10 hours. Okay. And then we have 30 minutes and 14 minutes is 44 minutes. And there we go, 10 hours, 44 minutes. 2 hours and 50 minutes, 1 hour and 9 minutes. Here we go. 2 plus 1 is 3. Yeah. 50 plus 9 is 59. So 3 hours, so 2 and 1 is 3. 3 hours, 59 minutes. All right, so now that we're going to go over the number of minutes, we're going to go past 60 with our minutes. So the little guy here says, regroup the minutes to hours and minutes. All right, we got this. We got this. Let's go. 20 minutes and 55 minutes. Well, 20 plus 55 equals 75 minutes. Okay? Now that we added them together, we actually have to subtract it now. We have to subtract 60 because 60 minutes equals what? That's right, 1 hour. 60 minutes equals 1 hour. So we're going to take 60 away from that 75 minutes that we just had, and that's going to give us 15 minutes. So it's going to be 60 minutes plus 15 minutes. So it's going to be 1 hour and 15 minutes. Let's do this same thing here for the 55 and 45. First, let's add 55 and 45 together. That is 100 minutes. So 55 minutes plus 45 minutes is 100 minutes. So now we take away the 60 minutes for 1 hour, which is 40 minutes left. So it's going to be 1 hour and 40 minutes. So 60 minutes and 40 minutes equals 1 hour, 40 minutes. Let's do this one. 4 hours and 46 minutes plus 2 hours and 14. So first we have 4 plus 2 is 6 hours. And then we have our 46 plus our 14. That actually equals 60 minutes exactly. So that's another hour, right? So we had 4 hours plus 2 hours gave us 6 hours. And then the minutes gave us our 7th hour. So it's exactly 7 hours. Let's check out number 7. We are cruising through this. I hope you're doing well. Here we are. 1 hour plus 3 hours is 4 hours. And we have 48 minutes plus 35 minutes. Let's see, that's that's 83 minutes. And let's take away the 60 minutes, right? For the hour. So that changes the 1 and 3 to 4, but now we have to add that other one. So there's one more in there now. So it's going to be 5 hours and 23 minutes. Okay? Whoa, we are on the last one already. Number 8. Here we go. Grace spends 50 minutes practicing the piano. Good job, Grace. Then she spends 2 hours, 15 minutes doing her homework. Whoa, that's a lot of homework. How long does she spend on the 2 tests? So it's asking us how much time does she spend for doing both, okay? So if we're combining them, then that means we would, yes, add them. Very good. So we have a 2 hours, and then we have the minutes of 50 minutes and 15 minutes. So we're going to add our minutes together, and that gives us 65 minutes. And then we can take away the 60 minutes for that 1 hour, which gives us 5 minutes. So it's going to be 2 plus that extra hour is 3 hours and 5 minutes. Wow, that does not give her much time to eat or play with friends, but I'm glad she's working hard and getting that done. Piano can sound so beautiful when played nicely like that. So, all right, guys, thank you so much. And hey, there we go, subtracting hours and minutes. Practice 4. Only 2 pages for tomorrow. All right, guys, take care. We'll see you next time, okay? Bye.